The word we'll be learning in this section is wareru, which you will often hear in situations involving broken dishes, divided opinions, or splitting a check. The word wareru means to break or to split. It's typically used when something made of glass, pottery, or other hard materials breaks into pieces. It can also refer to things like splitting a bill or dividing something among several people. The first kanji means splitting or dividing, like cutting something into parts or showing a proportion. In the word waribiki, it gives the sense of taking a portion away, so it means discount. In the word wariai, it keeps the idea of division and portions, so it refers to a ratio or proportion, often used when comparing amounts. The glass breaks. Garasu ga wareru. Garasu ga wareru. My heart is breaking. Kokoro ga wareru. Kokoro ga wareru. Opinions often differ. 意見が割れることが多いです。意見が割れることが多いです。Water is broken from the tap. 蛇口から水が割れる。蛇口から水が割れる。The most common synonyms of the word 割れる are 壊れる and 分ける. The word 壊れる also means to break, but it's often used for complex objects like machines or electronics that stop functioning. Meanwhile, 分ける means to divide or to share and is used when splitting objects or quantities among people. The most common antonyms of the word 割れる are 修理する and 結合する. The word 修理する means to repair and is used when fixing something broken. On the other hand, 結合する means to unite or to join and is used when things come together or are connected.